This is Hot Wings here. I'm going to show you today how to make a great Bloody Mary. This video goes out to my friend Sue. I went to her house a while ago, made her a Bloody Mary. She's like, oh my God, you got to share this with the public. So, teach you real quick how to make a great Bloody Mary, and you can build it the way you like it to taste. I like everything hot. That's why my nickname's Hot Wings. But let's get down to it. All right. So, first of all your ingredients that you need for a delicious Bloody Mary, hot wing style. What really helps me is the shaker and the strainer. That really makes it. And I know what you're thinking, Mr. and Mrs. T's, how original. But if you make it from scratch, it just takes all day. And let's face it, I like having my Bloody Marys fairly quickly. And you know, I'll only drink one Bloody Mary, and then maybe a beer or two, or a few beers, or, well, a lot of beer. Not a lot of beer. And then we've got the dude bobblehead. He helps me make them. Right. Yeah. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with the bowler here, a little bowler glass. All right, and I just eyeball everything pretty much, but just get it to where I want it, right here. All right. I like everything spicy, but you can add a taste. A little pepper, a little salt. Okay. I always use lime juice, just a squirt like that. I add a fresh lime, but if I just use limes, it just doesn't give me enough garnish. These limes are washed, by the way. Dash of Worcestershire sauce. Any vodka you happen to have handy. I happen to have this handy. A little vodka here. My favorite's Grey Goose, but my budget does not allow for that at all times. So I get what I can get. A little vodka. Shot of vodka. Alright. And like I said, I like my stuff hot. I add a little bit of hot sauce. Not too much because we already got a spicy Bloody Mary. Alright. We're gonna add this to the shaker. Ooh, without spilling it. Now, my shaker probably has about 5 or 6 ice cubes in it. And man, when you put it in a steel cup, it really does cool down quickly. Nice cold Bloody Mary. And if you watch a lot of Bar Rescue, they always say to do this. The famous bartenders say to do this when you shake. When you shake, it's bad karma if you don't shake with a smile. Alright, just like that. Alright, and then you're ready to go. Oh, hold on. Can't hold the camera. Take the top off. Alright. And I don't like ice in my Bloody Mary, and that's why I use the strainer. Man, let me tell you, a little bit of that, delicious. So give that a shot and see if you like it. But again, doesn't take much, but man, are they good. It's Hot Wings. Sign out.